and welcome back to my class. You know that I am Halim Nizam, teacher and junior lecturer of Elizabeth High School and Junior College. In today's class, we are dealing with the chapter 6 and chapter name is Special Statutory Commissions for Protection of Citizens' Rights. Already we have discussed about this topic. Now we will continue this topic in this class. After the National Commission for Women, now we will discuss about the National Commission for Protection for Children's Rights, that is NCPCR. Here the National Commission for Protection of Children's Rights, that is NCPCR, is established by an Act of Indian Parliament in 2005 and the commission started operating from 2007 onwards. So here the mandate provided to the commission by the Act states that all laws, policies, programs and administrative mechanisms are in consonance with the child rights perspectives and the Constitution of India and the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child here. Here this act defines the child as a person below the age of 18 years and the children in India witness many problems that violate the basic human rights. Here these problems include the violence at home and the corporal punishments and the child labor and the child abuse and the physical and the mental and the sexual harassment of children and so on like this. Here the United Nations organization, that is UNO, has brought out a convention in 1989 with the details of child rights. It also has the two protocols, with the first protocol that is prohibiting children of participate in armed conflict and the second is that the prohibiting the sale of children. Here the Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act, that is CPCR Act, provides for the establishment of National Commission for the Protection of Children's Rights. Exactly, that is NCPCR. Here in this the commission shall consist of the members like a chairperson. And here a person who amends and has done outstanding work for the promoting the welfare of children. Exactly. And the 6 members, out of which at least 2 shall be women, and these are the persons of immense and experienced education, child health care, welfare, justice, elimination of child labor, child psychology and laws relating to children. And the chairpersons for NCPCR are Shanta Sinha 2007 to 2010 and from 2010 to 2013 also. Notan Guha Biswas from 2013 to till date. So after this, now we will see about the National Commission for Minorities. Here the National Commission for Minorities Commission is a statutory body but not a constitutional body. It was established on 17th May in 1993 with the enactment of the National Commission for Minorities Act 1992. Here the main objectives of the commission are to safeguard the interest of the minorities and monitor the working of the safeguards for the minorities and provided in the constitution and in laws enacted by the parliament and the state legislatures. Exactly. So here the National Commission for the Minorities Act 1992 does not define the term minority, but the government of India notified the 6 religion communities as minorities, and they are Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Faris. And in 2014 the Jain community was added to the list here. And the composition for the National Commission for Minorities consists of a chairman and a vice chairman and 5 other members. And the composition for the National Commission for Minorities consists of a chairman, vice chairman and 5 other members, and they are appointed by the union government from amongst persons of efficacy and ability and integrity, that particularly those who have the awareness on the minority communities. Okay, they belong to minority communities only. The present chairman of National Minorities Commission is Naseem Ahmed and the chairpersons of National Commission for Minorities. So after National Commission for Minorities, now we will discuss about the National Commission for Consumer Rights. Here in the National Consumer Rights Commission was constituted in 1988 under the Consumer Protection Act of 1986. So it is a quasi-judicial statutory body, not a constitutional body. So here the main objective for the commission is to promote and to protect the rights of the consumers. Exactly. And the headquarters of the commission is located at New Delhi. And the composition is a multiple members body consisting of a chairman and 10 members, and the chairman should be the retired judge of the Supreme Court of India, and the chairman and other members are appointed by the central government. Here the present chairman for the commission is Justice D.K. Jain, former here the judge of the Supreme Court. Now the consumer forums. Here the government of India enacted the Consumer Protection Act in 1986 to protect the interests of the consumer in India, and the act provided a legal framework for the various consumer protection initiatives like to provide inexpensive and to speedy judgment for the redressal of consumer disputes, and the quasi-judicial bodies have been set up in each district, states and the national level. So here at the district level it is called as the district forum, and at the state level it is called as the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, and at the national level it is known as National Consumer Redressal Commission. Okay. At present there are 629 district forums and 35 state commissions, which also include the union territories. Here the National Commission is the apex level and located at New Delhi. So up to here we have discussed about the national commissions. Now we will discuss about the state commissions. We have discussed the national statutory commissions in protecting the rights of a varied sections of the society. Exactly, and it is necessary to discuss the state level commission in this regard. Absolutely. So at the state level these commissions include Commission for the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes, and the State Commission for Women, and State Commissions for Minorities, and the State Commissions for Backward Classes. So here these state commissions were established before the formation of the Telangana state. So here they are the continuing as common commissions for both the states including the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. First we will go with the state human rights commissions. Here in this Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 provides a state human rights commission at the state level, and it is the statutory body but not a constitutional body. At present here the states which have the state human rights commission through the official gazettes notifications is undivided Andhra Pradesh. So here the State Human Rights Commission was constituted under the chairmanship of Justice P. Subhashan Reddy in 2005. And here the State Human Rights Commission consists of a chairman and 2 other members. The chairman should be retired Chief Justice of High Court, and the member should be serving or retired the Judge of High Court, and another member having a knowledge in the human rights. Exact. Come to the term appointment. Here the chairman and the members are appointed by the governor of the state on the recommendations of a high power committee headed by the chief minister of the state, and the tenure, the term of the officer for the chairman and the other members of the commission is 5 years or until they attain the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. And the chairpersons of state human rights commissions are Justice B. Subhashan Reddy from 2005 to 2010, Justice Nisar Ahmed Kakru from 2011 to till now. So after that here the State Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Here the State Commission for the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes was established on June 7 in 2003 under the Andhra Pradesh State Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Act 2003. So it is a statutory body. The main objectives of the commission are to investigate and monitor all the matters relating to the safeguards provided in the SCs and STs under the constitution or under any other law. And the chairpersons of the State Commission for the SCs and STs are K. Punya from 2003 to 2006, Nagarjuna from 2007 to 2009. Now about the state commissions for backward classes. Here the state commission for the backward classes was established in 1994 under the Andhra Pradesh State Backward Classes Commission Act in 1993. So it is a statutory body and this commission was reconstituted in 2004. And the composition of this state commission for the backward classes consists of a chairman and 4 other members, and they are appointed for a tenure of 3 years by the state government. And the chairpersons of the state commission for the BCs are K. Puttuswamy from 1994 to 1997 and Dalva Subramaniam from 2004 to 2011. So after this, come to the State Commission for Women. Here the State Commission for Women was established in 1998 under the Andhra Pradesh State Women Commission Act 1998 and it is a statutory body. So here the composition of the State Commission for Women is multi-member body which is consist of a chairman and 5 other members and they are appointed by the state government exactly and the tenure of the commission is 5 years. After that, now we will discuss about the State Commission for the Protection of Children's Rights. So in this, here the Commission for Protection of Children's Rights Act 2005 is also provides the establishment of the state level commissions and the structure, composition, powers and functions of the state level commission are protection of the children's rights exactly are on the line of the national commission. So here the composition and powers, that is the State Commission for the Protection of the Children's Rights, shall consist of a chairperson and the 6 members. The chairperson shall be appointed by the state government from among the persons of the immense who have outstanding work in the field of children's right and welfare, and among the important powers and functions of the commission include. After this, now we will see about the State Commission for Minorities. So in this, here the State Commission for Minorities was established in 1998 under the Andhra Pradesh State Minorities Act 1998. So it is a statutory commission and the tenure of this commission is 3 years and the composition for the State Commission for Minorities consists of the chairperson and the vice chairperson and the 5 other persons, and they are appointed by the state government only and they belong only to the minority communities. Okay, and the chairperson of the State Commission for Minorities is Abed Rasool Khan. After that, now the State Consumer Disputes and the Redressal Commission. Here it is also known as the State Commission and it is established by the state government exactly. So it consists of a chairman and other 4 members. Here the chairman should be retired judge or present judge of the High Court. Here the State Commission is a state level court and deals with those cases where the value exceeds rupees 20 lakh but not exceed 21 crores. Get it here? So here the consumer should appeal against the order of the district forum before the state commission within the 30 days. Here the state commission call for the records and the passes appropriate orders if in any consumer disputes which is pending before or has been decided any district forum within the state. Now the district forum. Here the district forum consists of a chairman and 2 other members. Here the chairman who is or has been eligible to be appointed as district judge is the chairman and the members are appointed by the state government after the consultation with the High Court of such state. Get it here? So in this, here the district consumer forum that is at the district level court and deals with the cases valuing up to 20 lakhs and a written complaint can be filed before the district forum by the consumer is present on defects in goods and deficiencies in services. Here the remedy under the act is an alternative in addition to the already available aggrieved consumers by the way of a civil suit. So here in the complaint submitted under the act, a consumer is not required to pay any court fees. So here if a consumer is not satisfied by the decision of a district forum, he can appeal to the state commission within 30 days. Okay, and at last about the cheating. See the details of it. After seeing the sheer team details, by this proceeding discussion, we have highlighted on the significance and the importance of the various national commissions for India which come into the existence during the 1990s. So these commissions are entitled to protect and safeguard the interests of the vulnerable sections like the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, backward classes, women and minorities. So here it also emphasis on the civil society has added a great significance for the protecting rights of the citizens here. We have witnessed the positive role of these commissions in the functions of Indian democracy. Exactly. So by this we have completed our chapter 6th, that is special statutory commissions for protection of children's rights. Thank you.